back.
Alright, welcome to my first video. Bought a new laptop, and it's an HP Pavilion DV7T. So I'm gonna watch a YouTube video, because I'm cool. What up, guys? So this is my first video in 1 week, yes, about 5 or 6 days. I was out in Virginia visiting family, Easter, blah blah, all that. I was on spring break, but now I'm back.
Hey, what's up guys? MKBHD here, back with a quick video. I know this isn't my usual type or style of video, but something is really going around on YouTube that I want to get word out to you guys about that's really bothering me. Hey guys, MKBHD here, back with just a quick update video letting you guys know a couple things and requesting a comment of some sort. This is an update video to let you guys know I'll actually be doing a series of YouTube video tips. I've been getting a lot of questions recently since I got the T2i and since I've been editing with Camtasia Studio 7. So the wait is finally over. I'm finally back here on YouTube, and you guys probably have a lot of questions. I've seen them on things like Twitter and Facebook and the social networks that I've been keeping up with you guys on. Hey, what's up guys? It's Marques from the MKBHD channel. Back with another HD video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the top reasons to want the Nexus Prime.
Hey, what's up guys? Remember the M50s that I've raved about in previous videos? They're beastly studio monitors that I've used to edit my past 100 or so videos, and one of the favorites of fellow YouTuber Austin from Duncan33303.
Dear Apple, you guys are a great company, everything. You have a great relationship with your customers already. You guys have tons of money, you know, we got a great system going on. We give you money, you give us great stuff. People love you. It's wonderful. And it's obvious that lots of people already know about you. So you're doing a good job, that's obvious. But there are just a few things. Like here's one question, for example. Are you guys patent trolls? Dear Apple, you know how your computers are all white and shiny and beautiful and silver aluminum kind of style? That's nice and everything, but why don't you guys make some black computers? What's up guys, MKBHD here, and what I'm about to show you is a render of the Motorola X phone based on actually confirmed specs and information. There you go. Oh, the Motorola X phone. It seems like it's been rumored since the day Google bought and started to control and operate Motorola Mobility, but that's really all we've heard so far, isn't it? We've heard that it'll launch this summer with the latest version of Android, Key Lime Pie. I was tempted to do an updated version of where iOS 7 features came from, with where iOS 8 features came from, but that would actually have been a pretty boring video because they all really came from some previous version of Android. Now, the 11th, 2015, and this is the first video I'm making as a full-time YouTuber. PhD here, and coming off a bit of a quiet week, I was finishing up school, literally, and this is a sort of a 5 facts about me video. Sort of. Number 2 is I don't really watch that much TV at all. Now, number 3 is actually an amendment to one of the facts that was in the original 5 facts about me video. This is the professional team that I play for, the New Jersey Hammerheads. So in the United States, in New Jersey, there's a professional team called the New Jersey Hammerheads that I play for, and I'm a professional ultimate frisbee player. Number 4, I hate the cold. I hate it. I don't think I would do well in much other places in the world that are much colder than here. I've been trying to shoot more video outdoors lately because there's a lot of free light out there, but obviously the weather hasn't exactly been cooperative. The last winter we had on the East Coast here was brutal, so yeah, it'll probably end up having some effect on where I end up living after college. But bottom line, it's not like I dislike New York City or anything, but there are places that are much nicer weather. Number 5 is I'm done with college. Well, my graduation's in about 2 weeks, but I finished the last class of my senior year. So as far as I'm concerned, I'm done. Steve here, and I'm sure you've noticed the little gaps in videos since I've started putting together this studio space, this sort of video shooting space. How long did it take to build your Mega Desk? So the Mega Desk, if you guys don't already know, it's this. It's the custom NextDesk Air Pro. I already did a video about a NextDesk. This one's just a bigger version of it.
11 years ago, in 2006, Elon Musk wrote this as the Tesla master plan. Build a sports car, use that money to build an affordable car, then use that money to build an even more affordable car, while doing above also provide zero emissions electric power generation, and don't tell anybody. Tesla held an event the other night. It was essentially the Tesla Model 3 delivery event. It wasn't really a launch event. It was more of an internal event for employees to mark the beginning of production for the Tesla Model 3.
Car that does have it that we can explore. So this is the 2018 Lamborghini Aventador S. But totally blind.
I'm totally blind.
I'm gonna put an object over here on this table. All right, go ahead and reach down, pick it up, and see if you can ID it.
Okay. Oh.
It's a brick.
Definitely a screen. Maybe a GPS.
Is this a cassette tape player?
It's a controller.
Oh, there's some buttons. Oh, it's definitely a gaming thing.
Oh, snap. Is it a Game Boy?
Is this a Game Boy? Oh my God, it's a Game Boy.
Oh yeah, it's totally a Game Boy.
Oh, love that sound.
All right, so I've got about a month, a little less than a month, to move everything from this studio space down to the new one.
And as soon as we hit record, then the noises start. So now a little landscaping, a little construction.
Have you had it through the pandemic? Has it been hard kind of doing stuff like this? Yeah.
Weirdly, it's gotten easier because it's quieter in our studio. Because first of all, thanks for joining me, Sundar. I'm sure you're extremely busy at this particular time of year, so I appreciate the time.
Start recording and then just don't stop it. Okay, so I am a little confused because I've never done a magic trick where I have the deck of cards and I have no idea how you can possibly trick me here.
Do you have a deck of cards?
Yeah. I'll pop it.
And are you skilled with cards at all? I'm definitely going to do this to Peter McKinnon, and I'm very curious how he's going to do it.
I'm okay at identifying what's happening.
Years ago, I dropped a Twitter thread. Yes, I still call it Twitter. And I severely underestimated how many of you guys would be interested in it. But then a lot of the conversation that it drove was really interesting, and a lot of discussions that happened afterward were fun to participate in. So I figured I would drop even more of the footage here. So I'm back with more of my footage and clips from my visit to Apple's secret iPhone durability testing labs.